Miriam Jones. I'm a wood turner from North Wales. I set up my business a few years ago. I do coloured inlays with thread, and my bread and butter work, I bring a lot of laser personalised messages and Welsh onto my work.
What does that actually translate into English?
It says 2 hearts, 1 journey. So
Lovely.
I do a lot of wedding commissions, so it fits in quite well with that clientele. My aim is to progress and make higher end work, such as this is quite new work that I've not out anywhere. I introduce sheep wool that's hand dyed as a decorative element, progressing from the thread inlays, and I'm trying to develop my turning skills in order to get these shapes and patterns and ideas more crisp and get the wow factor going.